Hello, Darcy. This is Jerome Gibson, and I'm making this video for you to tell you how to make the weight changes in your MyMathLab and how to enter in the paper assignments also. So the first thing you would need to do is go to mymathlab.com and sign in. So I will sign in. Then your next step would be to pick your course. So I'll just pick any random course here. Now, the next thing you would do, first we're going to concentrate on changing the weights. So we will scroll down here to Course Tools and go to the grade book. Now, when you go to the grade book, what you need to do is to go here where it says Change Weights. And you will click on Change Weights. And then as you see here, you have the weights for your various assignments. So what you would do is you would put in the weights of the assignments. Like here I got 15, 10, 45, and so on. And then after you put in the weights of your assignments, and then you will have to go down here and click Update. So let's just say that I wanted homework to be 20% of the grade. Now remember, one other thing you need to know, all of these weights must equal to 100. So if I wanted homework to be 20%, so then that would take down my quizzes to 5%. So I'm just going to make a little change so you can see it. So then that's 25 and 45, which is 70, and then the other 30 that I have here. So that's 100. Then I will click on Update, and then it will update it. So now my homework assignment is worth 20%. Even though it says points, this is really considered percentile. And then it says here to specify your student's overall score is calculated, you need to pick one of these categories. Now what I do is I do category and assignment weigh-in because we have so many various assignments and categories. It'll be best to do it that way. And whatever the percent of the category, you need to put that percent there even though it says points. Now you may be asking yourself this question as to how that I have these extra categories here. Well, what you could do is if you click here on offline categories, you could click manage, and then you could create more categories. So here you would click on use multiple offline categories, and then you would click on add a category and then type in the name and its weight, and then you would click OK. Now let me switch this back to what I had it originally. This was 15 and this was 10. Okay, so now we took care of the weights. Now the next thing that you had asked for is how do you enter in paper and pencil assignments. So you will click Gradebook again. And over here to the side where it says More Gradebook Tools, you'll click the down arrow and click on Add Offline Items. Now that is your paper and pencil item. So you'll click here, and then you will put, it says Add an offline item to any category in your gradebook. And then you will go Next, and then you will pick the category. Like if it's a test, quiz, homework, or whatever, you will pick that category. And then you will give it a name. Let's just say you want to put it a test, put exam, let's say exam 4. Now you want to date it, whatever date it is, I'll just use today's date, and you could give the point total, especially since you're using a weighted average, it doesn't matter the point total, but I would just say 60 points. Let's just say I wanted 60. I'll click next, and then you will have where all of your students' names will show up, and then you'll press save, and then OK. And now the category has been added into your gradebook. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to email me, and I hope that this helps. Thank you.